welcome back to my channel. My name is Ives. For today with you guys, like what I've said before, I'm going to share with you how to make headband. So last time, gumawa ako ng face mask. So ngayon is gagawa tayo ng headband, but not like this, but in this design. So ayan. So gantong siyang design. So ito yung ginawa kong mask last time. Tapos titiranohan natin with matching headband. So without further ado, let's get started. So ano ba yung mga gamit natin kailangan? So of course, scissor, medida or technisure, different type of bodkin, and the cutter kung kailangan mo, elastic, and of course the fabric. So I will be using the same fabric, so which is Japanese cotton made in Japan. So ayan na guys. So tayo ay magagugupit tayo. We're going to make 3 pieces. So gawin muna natin is yung 17 inches na 17 inches width, length. Ayan, 17 inches and 7 inches. So let's use our tape measure. So let's make it 5. 7 is way too wide. So let's make it 5. So it's 3 pieces. So now we need to pin it. I really love doing it, sewing something. I made jacket, upcycle jacket using from Huham to a fashionable jacket with Japanese. we can afford that chase 15 grand, you can buy a car. So maybe I will find, like, maybe I'll study online or watching YouTube, or maybe not the diploma, maybe. Okay, now so I highly recommend to you to iron it here, but I don't have maybe I will iron it. So let's, for example, let's pretend it's already ironed, so it's already flat. So now guys, so as you can see, it's already ironed. So let's continue. So make sure we cut. So now guys, so fold it into two. So this one guys, if you notice this one, this should be facing to you. So dapat siya ay nakaharap. So ganito lang siya guys. Then you need to sew it here. So let's sew it. Guys, you need to really be careful sewing this one because this is thick. So I tried using my Singer Start sewing machine, which is very basic, and I broke 3 needles. So when you sewing it, make sure it's like sew it like very slow, otherwise you might broke the needle. So now, so like this one here, so you need to hold this one and insert like this, and same procedure like this. It should be facing to you. Sana nasusundan. So ito na guys. So again, I will repeat it. So this one, so you insert inside, then slide a little bit. Hindi siya, basta hinila mo lang siya, pull it to the left side. Then, you just need to make like this. And then, same procedure. Sew it again. Same procedure as before. So done. So dapat ganyan siyang itsura niya. So now, all you need to do is pull it. So hihilahin mo lang siya. Hide it. Like this. And same procedure again. Charam! And you have a headband. See? Charam! Very simple. Easy. So let's try. So how it looks. Nice. I probably make it's a little bit tight for me, so maybe guys you adjust your more. Maybe you do 4.5 the elastic, maybe you do the elastic 4.5 instead, because it's a little bit tight. But for me it's okay because the elastin will stretch anyway. So yeah, but the 4 size is okay for me, the 4 inches I mean, but it's up to you guys, you can adjust it anyway. So yeah, so that's about it. It's very simple. Excuse me. It's very simple. So we have headband with mask. See? Very simple step. Hopefully guys you like my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and please do subscribe at please do share my video. So sa mga gustong nagpaplana gumawa ng terno na headband combination, face mask and also headband, you can share this video kung if you think that this video is helpful. So please give us thumbs up and see you soon. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon.